Hello, this is John of Art and welcome to the City of Smiles, Bacolod. This is the year of the dog. In Ilonggo, it's called Ido. We have talked about it before. This is the year of the dog, or Tuig Sang Ido. So last year was the year of the rooster. That's called Manok. Rooster or Manok can also be called Sulog because Sulog is the male chicken while the female chicken is Munga. So the rooster therefore is Sulog. Tuig Sang Sulog. It's the year of the monkey. Monkey in Ilonggo is Amo. Amo. Year of the monkey. Tuig Sang Amo. I don't know what animal is this. This is the goat. The year of the goat. Goat is Kanding in Ilonggo. Kanding. Tuig Sang Kanding. This is the horse, representing the year of the horse, or Caballo. We call it Caballo in Ilonggo. Year of the horse. Tuig Sang Caballo. This represents the year of the snake. In Ilonggo, snake is Manom. So year of the snake is Tuig Sang Manom. The year of the dragon, represented by the dragon. We don't have a mythical creature in Ilonggo that is the dragon, so we just call it dragon. It's just a difference in pronunciation from dragon to dragon. We're just looking at the back side of the rabbit. That's the rabbit. Conejo. Conejo in Tagalog, well, also in Ilonggo. Year of the rabbit, Tuig Sang Conejo. This is the tiger, representing the year of the tiger, Tuig Sang Tigre. We don't have a tiger in the Philippines, so we don't have a name for tiger. So we just call the tiger Tigre. Tuig Sang Tigre, year of the tiger. This represents the year of the pig, Tuig Sang Baboy. Pig is baboy. Rat, year of the rat, Ilaga. Rat is Ilaga. This is the ox, or the year of the ox. There is no ox in the Philippines. The closest would be the cow. So this is the year of the cow, or baka in Ilonggo. Happy Chinese New Year here in Bacolod. This is Joan of Art, born in the year of the dog. 2018 is my year, the year of the dog. I love you all. Don't you like my blue rings? I bought one in Bangkok and the other one in Australia. I just love them, so I'm wearing them both. I don't care.